guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing something different now. Since you guys all know, I am a graduate and I started a new job, so I'm looking for a car and I wanted to share that journey with you. So I've shortlisted a few cars and I'm out at Nissan in Midrand. I'm going to check out the first few. I have 4 cars that I want to check out, so follow me. I'm in my first option of the 4, the Nissan Micra. I was just told that the retail pricing is $320, so we will see if we qualify for it. So guys, unfortunately, I don't qualify for the Nissan Micra. So yeah, a bit of a bummer because, you know, when we buy cars, it's an emotional purchase for all of us. It's something that we look at the car first, really don't take the price into consideration, and we just jump into something that we really loved. And I love the styling of the Micra, so that's why it's the first thing I went into. But unfortunately, I don't qualify for it. But for me to find out that I don't qualify for it, I actually had to go through a series of checks and calculators that I saw on the internet and stuff like that. But the one that actually helped me the most is the Westbank Affordability tool. So the tool is a bit, finicky. They want your personal information, and I know for anyone, even myself, I was a bit uncomfortable with it. Seeing it first, I was like, why would they want all of this information, you know? But the only reason that they ask for your personal details is to make sure that they have a tailor-made deal or personalized deal for you and which car you can afford. So I really enjoy that tool. And I also like the fact that they also ask you if you're a recent graduate, if you've graduated in like the past 3 years or something. So even if you're just fresh out of varsity, you can, go on a hunt for a car and see if you can get one or not. So yeah, I qualify for a car worth 240,000 Rand. So I have to say goodbye to the Micra, which sucks a bit, but anyway, it's not all doom and gloom. The search continues. So let's go check out the next one. So since I couldn't afford this brand new Nissan Micra, I went over to check out a pre-owned Datsun Go. And what I like about pre-owned is that you can get more for quite less. And this Datsun Go right here has all the features you need. Oh, it's automatic. I didn't know. And it's priced at around 160,000 Rand, which is properly in my budget. And with the money that's left over, I can factor in insurance, petrol, and running costs. So we're now at Renault. Options are Kaiga, Kwid, and Clio. I went to look at the Renault Clio knowing very well that it's out of my budget, but the car's so cute, I just couldn't pull past it. I had to go check it out. And it's priced at 336,000 Rand. I went back to the tool trying to compare if I can afford it or not. Tried to put in a higher deposit, but still it came out still too pricey for me. So yeah, maybe in the pre-owned market I can get a Clio that is fully kitted with the spec that I saw there for much less, maybe an older model, but I'll have to let the new one go. But you guys can understand, the car is absolutely cute, so quite sad about it, but anyway, it's all good. So we have done 3 cars now. We did the Nissan Micra, Datsun Go, and the Renault Clio. So far I only qualify for one, which is the Datsun Go. But I think I have faith in the last option, so see how it goes. So we're here at Hyundai, and I'm going to look at one of the cars that's also on my list, the Atos and the i10. So fingers crossed it's within my budget. Let's go. Our first car is the Grand i10. Wow, this is spacious. This is really 44 kilometers on the truck, so it's new. So the sales lady tells me that this base spec is 204,000 Rand. Bit within my budget, but trying to think if I can factor in all the other things that I need to, insurance and running costs. But I really do like, and I like the quality also. I think this is great. Would love to have it in an automatic though. But we'll see. We're still looking, and I think we'll find the one. But definitely an option, especially based on the price. So remember that when I did all my financing calculations, I qualified for a car with 240,000. The first 3 we saw, 1 is within budget, 2 isn't. So my last hope is this one, the Hyundai Atos. I really do like it. I'm very nimble, very small and practical. And I was just told by the salesperson that the automatic one is 199,000. So we are within budget. But let's check it out first before I make a decision. Personally, I think I'll be working under the 240k deal that Westbank says I qualify for, just to make sure that I can cover my fuel, insurance, and unexpected things that could happen to my car, such as a stone chip to my windshield or hitting a pothole. I like it. Yeah, so probably I'll get a bit of a better spec. This is the manual one that we're in now. I would love to have it in an auto, probably get some other nice things on it. But even as a standard spec for 190,000 Rand, it's absolutely amazing. So I think we might have a winner, but I haven't made my decision yet. I still have to think about it and decide on it. But out of the 4 that we saw, this could be the one. You know, I'm still trying to decide, but I think my heart is somewhere here or there. But I'm super excited for this new journey. This was a crazy reality check for me. As someone who's always driving cars that has all the spec in the world, when shopping for your own, you kind of have to tone it down and see what works for your budget. This was like a real experience into adulting, and I'm super excited to see what the future holds. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I helped you.